Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Circle Time on Wednesday, April 22nd. It is Earth Day. How exciting! I'm so excited it's Earth Day. Let's get started today. So we have our calendar, right? We're still in the month of April. Very good. So if yesterday was the 21st, we're gonna move our Earth Day. Let's put Earth Day right here for right now. What comes after 21? That's right, 22. Does anybody remember how to write a 22? Two twos. Very good. Let's see. Here we go. 22. So that goes right here under our Wednesday spot. So it's Earth Day. Yay. So it is Wednesday, April 22nd, Earth Day. Great job, everybody. So we're going to leave that right there. Let's do our days of the week practice. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Excellent. How about our months? Here we go, starting with January. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Great. Let's do our numbers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Good job, everybody. All right, let's check out Benjamin today. Our weather bear, here he is. All right, so according to the weather report, there's a good possibility of some rain today. So we're gonna give him his raincoat. You could always take it off later if it doesn't rain. His jeans, some good puddle stomping shoes, put those on there. And I'm gonna put a flower on here for today because if it does the rain just a little bit and then we can go out, puddle stomp and check out the flowers. See how much the flowers love the rain. Because remember, we are trying to get our fitness in. Don't forget to record 10 to 15 minutes of something specifically you did that got you up and moving, okay? Playing catch, doing jumping jacks, maybe you watched a yoga video and did it with your parents, whatever it was for at least 10 to 15 minutes, but do try to get at least 60 minutes of activity per day, all right? So let's put him over there. So our word for this week was flower. But since today is Earth Day, we're gonna change it up just a smidge, and I want everybody to practice writing the word earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. So today you're gonna practice that. All right, so I'm gonna set this right over here. Today's book, Up, Down, and Around, okay, by Catherine Ayers. In the dirt, we'll dig a row, drop some seeds, and watch them grow. Dirt piles up, seeds go down, water splashes, round and round. Corn grows up, carrots grow down. Cucumbers climb round and round. Peppers grow up, potatoes grow down. Pumpkin vines, round and round. Broccoli grows up, beets grow down. Green beans wind round and round. Okra grows up. Onions grow down. Tomatoes twine round and round. Fresh and tasty, get a bunch. Pick some, pull some. Let's have lunch. Great job, everybody. Okay, so that's our book, up, down, and around. And today's word, don't forget, we're writing and sounding out the word earth today, okay? All right, so before we get started with our plan for the day, I was pretty sad today when I came to school. Do you know why? You know how we keep all the trash picked up outside because it's the right thing to do to help our earth? We've been talking all about it all month. Well, the school, somebody decided to not be so nice to our earth, even though there was a trash can outside. So here's some photos of how our school was left when I came back today. Hi everyone and welcome. So I pulled into the school like I said and there was trash everywhere. Here's an example. I've already picked up quite a bit in my bag from the garden areas. Now I'm going to pick up what's in the actual parking lot. So this is really sad. I'm really sorry to all my students that people do this. I know it's adults and that's really wrong of us. And so I apologize on behalf of all adults for leaving your school this way. So let's get this stuff cleaned up and I'll see you back in the classroom. All right, so that was pretty sad, wasn't it? So I went ahead and picked all that up so the earth looks really nice around our school again, but let's hope those people who did that don't do that again. All right, so today's plan, let's get started. So we're still doing compare and contrast in our journals, so make sure you get your journals out. Scholastic, so today should be day 18, science and gravity should be your focus. Remember, you do both stories, the story in the magazine part, and then the 1 or 2 games that they have afterwards to see how much you remember from what you read. All right, in mathematics today, we're gonna do how many? Counting by fives. Remember, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, all the way to 100. So counting by fives. In project time, so today we're doing human impact on the environment. That's what we've been focusing on all week. So we're gonna talk about the human footprint and Earth Day. And I don't mean the footprints you make when you walk around in the ground. So we'll talk about that in our science video. All right, so go ahead and make sure you have your journals. And it's Monday. It's not Monday. What's today, everybody? It is Wednesday. There we go. Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. All right, so Wednesday, April 22nd. So your journals, so Wednesday is what, the 3rd day in the month, in the week, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So page 3, make sure you put your title. And so we are studying compare and contrast. So when you're comparing things, they may be alike or they may be different. Contrasting things means different. So we're gonna write 4 sentences again today, 2 with alike and 2 with different. And I want you to pick a garden. So whether it's your garden at home, this year's garden versus last year's, compare and contrast the 2 of them. Maybe it's what you remember of our garden out here in the playground for our classroom. What do you remember from this year versus last year? So think about different gardens. Maybe it's your neighbor's garden you're looking at. Your neighbor's garden versus your garden. See what the differences are and see what's alike, okay? 4 sentences, 2 alike, 2 different. For my pre-K group, I want you to compare the same things Maybe you use a few words. I'm not too worried about your sentence structure right now, but try to use more words. Have mom and dad give you a hand with how to write them and the spelling, okay? But I want to see some alike words and some different words on your page, okay? And then you're going to draw your picture, right? In your up top spot, you're going to draw your picture of what's either alike or different, or just one of the gardens, both of the gardens, however you want to do that. But you'll draw your picture as well. So, one of the things I wanted you to look at today is a YouTube video, okay? It's called Betsy's Kindergarten Adventures, Happy Earth Day, okay? And so it's on youtube.com/watch?v equals PIBO8_2IX8. So I want to make sure you go to that website and watch the Earth Day video for today. All right, I'll mention it again in our science video. So make sure you go ahead and watch this video. It's a very cute video on Earth Day, okay? So have a great day. I will see you in our math video and our science video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you know when our next video comes out for circle time. See you guys in a bit. Bye.